Hey everybody, welcome to Sedona Week, all this week with your pal, the PourMan. Whether you get here by car, plane, or alien spaceship, you don't want to miss it. Every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific, a brand new adventure in craft cocktails and fine cuisine. Oh yeah, and fun. Did I mention cocktails? So, join me for Sedona Week, all this week with your pal, the PourMan. Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe, bringing you the coolest cocktails from wherever I find them. Today, wherever just so happens to be in Sedona, and we are at the Creekside American Bistro. And check out how important PourMan is. I have not one, but two reserved signs just here for me. My stock is really risen.
It is up there.
So, before we get too far along, be sure to reach down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future adventures, much like this. So today, my girl Shelly from Pennsylvania, and she was in the middle of the state, so she could have chosen Philly or Pittsburgh. Which way did she go? She went with Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh Steelers, baby.
That's right.
All right. Well, thanks for Dan Marino. I'm a Dolphin fan, so there you go. And today, she's going to make us a prickly pear, and you're going to tell us what's in it, right?
I am.
And you're going to tell us how you make it as you go?
I am.
I think that we should let her do that. What do you think? Have at it, girl.
All right. So we're making a prickly pear margarita today. We actually infuse our own tequila here. So it is tequila with prickly pear syrup, some fresh citrus, and what makes ours special is we put a little bit of hibiscus in it.
You had me at tequila.
Me too. So we're gonna start today. We do it in a mason jar here to make it just a little bit more fun. We're gonna start with 2 ounces of our infused prickly pear tequila. Maybe if it'll come out. We might need to pause.
I'll have to scream.
We need a. Can you help me out here for a second? Can you tilt this for me? I got something stuck in the nozzle.
And now back to our regularly scheduled program. Boom.
All right, now that we have some prickly pear tequila, we're gonna just put that in a shaker tin. It's about 2 ounces. We do a little bit of triple sec and a little splash of sweet and sour. Give that a nice good shake. So our sweet and sour does have some egg whites in it, so it does allow it to foam up a little bit when you shake it.
Hot diggity.
And that goes in our mason jar here. We top it with a little bit of cranberry juice. And garnish it with a lime.
You know your stuff, Shelly.
Well, thank you. As long as it tastes as good as it looks.
I have every confidence that it will.
All right, well, here's the test.
You didn't tell me there was going to be a test.
Yes, there is. You gotta
All right.
remember the ingredients or you don't get to drink it.
All right. Well, I'm
tequila,
gonna.
that's
You're on
all
the
that
you're on the
matters,
wrong
right?
side of the bar. I'm drinking
Let
anyways.
me get a straw over here for you.
The prickly pear here at the Creekside American Bistro in Sedona. Let me give this
And
a
a straw
shot.
if you want.
Here, I'm gonna hold the straw because I never use them anyway. Let me get this for my wife. Oh, that is wonderful. The prickly pear. Prickly pear margarita. To get the recipe, go to PourManmike.com. And push this button right over here. You'll instantly become a PourMan, which gets you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure, plus some other cool stuff coming very, very soon. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan, and we will see you around.